Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is a Tuesday. You regulars around here know what that means. There's a 50-50 chance that we are getting free GameDev assets from Epic Games today, and today we are in luck. Yep, we got 3 free assets here, technically 4, actually. I'll explain what I mean in just a second. And this one, in my humble opinion, is the most useful of them all. It is kind of underselling itself because it's calling itself construction props, which I suppose it is. It's got an absolute ton of things that you would see on a construction site, but it's got full-blown construction sites as well. I could definitely see a lot of use for this particular asset. Now, here's where I want to pause and point something out to all of you. Hoard these. You get them for free over the next 2 weeks up till November the 4th. And here we are. This is the same asset, but now we are in Godot land. Yes, I exported this using the excellent Unreal to Godot plugin. There are other ways to do this as well, but as you can see, they look very good, and they are ready to go. Obviously, you've got much different lighting in the world of Godot than you do in the world of Unreal Engine, but you can get these assets out into other game engines and working. So make sure that you buy these. Even if you are not using Unreal Engine, you may have a use for these in the future, or you may switch to Unreal Engine. We never know. But here we go. Again, this one is probably my favorite asset in it just because of the general utility of it. So again, these are available for free. You basically go add them to your cart. Once you've bought them, air quotes, they are yours to keep forever. Again, super useful asset here. All of the assets this month, actually, or this bi-week, they're assets. They're like this. They're things that can be used in games. There's no blueprints or systems level stuff here. So if that's what you're here for, you're going to be a little bit disappointed in that regard. All right, so that is asset number 1. And this is asset number 2. I believe it has the wonderful name of Robot 3. So if you need a robot, like the mannequin robot you get from Unreal Engine, that is what this is providing. Now, the key thing about this one, though, this is actually, because we're now on Fab, this is available for multiple different stores. So this is actually available for, let's see, Unreal, Unity, Maya, and FBX. So pretty much anything in the end. So if you need to have like a default character, which apparently does not have gravity enabled, you can use Robot 3 for that. So if you're looking for just a test character for your game world, could be a good pickup there. Obviously, Unreal Engine does have Manny and similar, but again, this one works in FBX, so you can get it into whatever game engine you want. Again, another reminder, even if you are not using Unreal Engine, you should be hoarding these because now that they're on Fab, we're also getting multiple game engine assets here as well. So this one, again, you can see from the bits, it is a modular character, various different pieces that you can manipulate and work with, and fully rated and animated, and all of that stuff. A very straightforward asset there. Now, our final asset is actually 2 assets, and it is the Nanite Environment Bundle. Now, you're going to notice inside of the Nanite Environment Bundle, you've got the Stunning Nature and then Volcanic. So I'll go over the Stunning Nature first, and let's just load that one up. And I've preloaded it, so this should be pretty quick. And I actually find this very pretty. So it's like this picturesque park environment here. So everything you see here. Now, there's definitely like a high saturation on the textures and the trees and such, so it makes it look a little bit painterly at times. The water looks very good. Then we got this cliff face over here and so on. So it is an environment bundle. So if you need to make, rocks and coasts and trees and forests and shrubs, that is what you are getting here. Let's just zoom out all the way over here so you can see how all the various different pieces are used together. So you get an idea. It is pretty straightforward. So if you need to have like a nature environment, there is what this one is all about. This is actually a pretty big pack, by the way, too. This was like a 12 gig download, I believe. But you're actually, again, getting 2 in this pack because our other one here, go back over here, you're also getting the volcanic environment. So technically we are getting 4 assets this month, which I like. Again, everything here is a straight up asset today. So we have no plugins or tools or anything like that, all game content. So if you're using it outside of Unreal Engine, you should absolutely love it. I don't know why we just chugged out for a second there, but we did. All right, so you can see it is a volcanic type setting. And this one actually is probably easier to show you on the overview map, so you get an idea of what this is all about. So it's a bunch of things to create this sort of environment right there. So you got the various different rocks, the volcanoes, and so on. And then if I go ahead and see, you can actually see in the playback, some of these are animated particle systems. The weird thing is this smoke is as well. So let me go ahead and click play here, and you get an idea of what these are all about. So you can see the various different things going on. So if I move up over here, very, very slowly, you'll see the splashing and the smoke effects and so on. I don't know why it only starts within a certain range, but it does. So you can see, and then the lava splashing and so on. So it's one of those things you gotta see it in action to really appreciate what it's all about. And again, for some reason, you've got to be close to these guys to actually get them to trigger. So let's go see if this last thing triggers when I get close to it. Unfortunately, I can't speed up my mouse look at all. So that's, yeah, okay, maybe that one's not going to do anything because I'm pretty close to it now. So I don't think this one is animated. But as you can see from the rest of them, the smoke and so on, the lava, it's all animated effects. Looks really kind of cool. So that is the, I guess we'll call this the bonus one because, again, this is the fourth asset you're getting in this particular bundle. So again, quick recap of what we were getting. By the way, I did use this plugin, Unreal to Godot, to do the export over to the Godot game engine. Links for all of the guides for getting from Unreal Engine to other game engines are available down below. All right, so let's head on over to the website. So the first one we've got here is construction props. Again, you get a choice between the personal and professional. It really doesn't make a difference. This is based off of how much money you make, but since Epic Games are picking up the tab, hey, might as well go with Pro. By the way, that doesn't change anything. The person who made the asset doesn't make more money if you pick Pro over personal when it's free. But remember, you only have until November the 4th to buy these. Once they are yours, they'll be there forever. And again, it should show as $0 for you there. So this is the first one. Again, probably my favorite. It's very plain, but it's incredibly useful. So if you need to create construction sites, everything you need to create these construction sites is included in this pack. And then we've got the 2-in-1 Nanite environment bundle. Again, you got the volcanic world, and you've got like this this verdant nature lakefront environment as well. Again, this is very big, so it's a 12 gigabyte download. Two completely separate packs with two completely different environments in there, though. And then finally, we have a Robot 3. This is, well, it's a robot. Again, you saw it was completely modular in nature, so you can build it into kind of different looks. There's certain surfaces that you've got control over, change the colors. And here you can see in Unity, it supports all of the render pipelines as well as shader graph. And then on Unreal, it supports both 4 and 5. So if you're looking for that stand-in character, you've got it. And again, the key thing for this one here is it's available for Unreal, but also for Unity. It will come down as a Unity asset package. You simply import into the Unity game engine. But it's also available for Maya, as well as a generic FBX version. So you can use this in whichever engine you want. So once again, a reminder, even if you aren't using Unreal Engine today, hoard, and hoard some more. You got 2 weeks. Also, let me know what you think of this month's freebies. Again, we've got the props, the construction props. We got the 2 environments, the lava and like the lakefront environment here. And then finally, we've got this robot character for all kinds of different game engines. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.